Well, a very good morning, good afternoon, or good evening to you, wherever you are in the world today. I hope you're in fine form and feeling good. Something about pending trades, whilst they look fantastic when you place them and if they trigger, it's almost like saying this is making money on autopilot and having almost like a robot working for you. Now, pending trade simply means that you are happy to take a trade if the price action hits certain numbers, and you put your stops in your profit targets and really hope for the best that the price action reaches your target, or the entry point, I should say. Now, this Australian dollar against the US dollar, the Aussie US, um, it just hasn't triggered, and in fact is way below even my original target point. In fact, it's about 140 points, or sorry, 140 pips um, down from the my targeted entry point. So I don't think this is going to trigger, but I'm just going to leave it on. I've got nothing to lose by leaving it on, and maybe it does recover up to that level that I'm in it, which is looking at, the price I'd be happy to short it at is 78.80. But who knows? So the reason for this video is simply to say be patient, and even if the pending trade is a long way away, as this one is, like it's about 130, 140 pips away from the planned entry point, don't worry, just leave it on there. There will come a time where I will take it off if it hasn't triggered, but I'm quite happy to leave it on there at the moment, especially with some big announcements tomorrow, Thursday the 12th of February. Things could still happen, although I am losing faith in the trade, all right? But let's see what happens. The risk with a pending trade is that you could just miss, and it just, within a few pips of the trade, and it's really got to be perfect to make these things work. And there's always the risk that you miss it by a few pips, or the other risk is that it gets triggered and then it goes through your stop. So you need to leave a bit of a wide stop and let things breathe a little bit. But the upside, of course, is it just makes money for you. Really I don't like using this word, but autopilot, because if it triggers right and then goes to your profit target, then it's done it all for you. But you need to have your your technical trade, your technical part of the trade planned very closely, and things need to move exactly the right way. But anyway, I've had this on for a couple of days, and I'm, as I say, losing faith at the moment, but I'm going to leave it probably till the end of this week, and if it hasn't triggered, then I'll just probably close the trade out at the weekend. And don't forget to review the pound dollar trade as well, in connection with Mr. Carney speaking about the Bank of England. From me, Nick, wherever you are in the world today, I hope you are well, feeling good, be safe, be good, and I hope life is being kind to you. Thanks for listening, and I hope the videos help a little bit. All the best to you. Bye.